If you're a business owner and you're on social media, your business is on social media, Facebook and Instagram and other platform that has been created by Facebook, which is known as Meta today. Okay, I want to let you know that there's a good news for you. Do you know that you can integrate all your business portfolio in one place? So Facebook Business Manager is one of the places you can be able to integrate everything together. You can bring in everything, your staff, people that are working with you. You can bring them in one place. So, and it's known as Meta Business Suite today. So, it's better for you to make use of this platform. It will help you to control and have the control of everything in one place. So make sure you share this video. Make sure you give me a follow. Make sure you also like and comment for other of my video that I will be sharing. Let me show you how to go about it together. So let's look at it one by one. So you can see my screen. We have the users. So from the users, have this account. Okay, the account, that means your account. Then you this account will be able to list out what you can do here. So you look at the pages. Look at the pages here. So pages, these are the pages I have on my Facebook. So these are, I've not made this to be professional pages. As it stands, I cannot integrate them because it only allows professional pages to be added. The only one I can add is the one I use as EduEdge, just a page that I opened some time ago. I've not been using it. So let's look at accounts. So look at it there on the pages. You can be able to, you can add. So look at add button here. So you can add an existing Facebook page. You can request for share access to a Facebook page. Then you can create a new Facebook page. That is what then on the ad. So this is to help you to let's look at what that brings to us. So on the ad, you can create a new account, manage ads for your business, brand or organization, claim an existing ads account. This help you to run advertisement. So if you have one, it will show that you have an advertisement account that is running. Request to share an ad account. So those are the things you can be able to do on the ads account. Let's look at the next one. We look at business assets group. The business assets group. Let's see what is popping up there. So on business asset groups, you can be able to you say here, new updates to business assets group. Business can give partners access to their business assets group, integration of Facebook Analytics for more efficient reporting, ability to assign container level permission to both people and partners. So that is what you can do on business asset groups. Let's look at apps. So let's see what the apps would bring to us. So it says here you can manage all your apps, all the Meta apps you have added to Business Manager will be listed here. So things like any of the apps that are Facebook, the new name which is Meta, you can add all their apps that you are using in one place and you'll be able to see them here. Then let's look at commerce account. On the commerce account, okay, so on the commerce account, add commerce account to this business portfolio so you can manage manage all your business assets in one place. So if you click add, it will give you it will show you. Okay, let's just click and see what it's going to bring to us. We are there network. So that is it. You can be able to add. This is, look at the business setting here, so you can be able to do a whole lot there. So let's go back. Let's look at Instagram. So you can be able to add your Instagram account here. So if you click add, it will take you to where you can be able to add your Instagram account. Okay, then you look at let's look at WhatsApp accounts. So if you have okay, let's even go back to that Instagram. So let's add so that you'll be able to see what it will. So it says here you can only add an Instagram professional account to a business portfolio. If you had a personal Instagram account, it should be switched to a professional one. So you can also claim an Instagram account. You'll be asked to log in to authorize the claim in the next step. So you read more on that. Then on this, it will be able to show you the name. Once you add, it will be able to show you the name of your staff and other things. Let's look at WhatsApp. So on the WhatsApp account, let's add, let's see. So you can add the number here. You can click add the number. You can add the number of phone number of your associates, your staff, and the rest of the people. So that is what you can do with this application. You can do more. So if I want to add, I will just click here on the Instagram. I will just click agree, and it will take you to where you would be able to add or claim any Instagram account. So that is all you can do. Then on the data resources, you'll be able to see your catalogs. You'll be able to see your business catalogs. Everything will be there for you to see. You see pixels. Let's click that. See what is bringing. So the network is dragging. So the whole lot you can do with this. So just explore all the available resources that you can find